Today we are going to see how a jet engine works. This is Tarun Darshan. Welcome to Science with Darshan. To my all my subscribers, I am going to announce a giveaway that is free science kit, such as science kit, robotic kit, organ kit, dimension kit, and robotic kit and different. To know these details, watch this full video. In between, I will say what is it is. So if you are new to this video, kindly do subscribe. If you do subscribe, means my upcoming video will be reaching you. If you are an Instagram user, kindly follow me Instagram at Tarun Darshan. Come, let's go. How a jet engine works.
Most jet propelled airplanes that have a turbine design. How a jet engine works. The turbine can be thought as the high-tech, the popular, and the inside duct called a diffuser. Driven by the gas generator. The core. The core of the jet engine has a generator that creates high-pressure gas to power a turbine. The setup of the composer and compositor or the turbine section. The composer. The compressed air makes a much more powerful combustion reaction relative to engine size. The compression happens in states that force incoming air into the engine of the narrow chamber. A single composer stage is composed of the spring rotator pad in the ring of the stationary sector of the vanes of the attached to the core and crashing. The rover plates are swimmer in the air, they forced into thought of the composer. The sector vanes slowly swing of the momentum in the exchange of increase in air pressure. The composer has 4 low pressure and 10 high pressure stages. Hi guys, this is Tarun Darshan. The compositor. It's a mixture with the fuel of the ignited in the passage through the compositor, releasing a jet of the super high powered gas. The design shown in the emulator of the compressor, meaning the ring shaped. That one looks like a ring shaped exactly. The compositor air enters in the inhated nozzles. Each nozzle is coupled with a fuel injector and it's designed to swim as the incoming fuel and the air of the even mix. A couple of ignited plugs on the unlike the spark plugs found in the engines and ignited this. The mixture of the reaction spreads evenly around the ring. Once started, the combustion continues as long as the air fuel are supplied. Turbine. Turbine or the rear and the jet engine are powered by exhausted gas exceeding the combustor. Much the turbine power is used to turn the fan while a small percentage of power the combustor of the stages. The turbine fans get extremely hot and some of the air combustion are derived from the cooling and special containing are used to keep the temperature down. Which will use the temperature down. The extracted core is especially shaped to mix the accelerated the extracted steam. Also they cover the sensitive internal engine parts. Fan. Early jet engine were turbulent where the jet incoming air flows through the core. The modern winglet aircraft engines or turbine where only fraction of the air enter the core or the gas generator, the resulting the power turns specially designed fan. Again, the fan can be thought as the high-tech pepper inside a duct. Air that does not enter the core is called bypass air, which is on the top. High bypass engines through the move the large quantities of air at the slower crushing speeds, a range of about 3110 to 620 mph. The exchange of highly efficiency of the engine size, high bypass engines can be used after large, with a massive phase of to the core size. The communicable airlines of the military transport aircraft for the best example for this application. If you are in the field, you will maybe exerted. Exerted velocity is the major factor in the jet engines. High bypass engines are surrounded by the core and with a large quantities of slower moving bypass air of the quiet operation. The military fighter aircraft are used low bypass engines which are more compact, which have high power to weight. Ratio of the presence of subsonic and air buffering capacity in the engines of the high things, like a poor noise control. The high fuel combustions. After the burner, what's happened? The high performance of the engine may have a after burner compatibility. The additional fuel is driven to jet pipe, the section where mixtures and exerted has. The ignited producing a second stage of the combustions. Since exerted fuel is insufficient, it is generally used in a short bursts during takeoff. the climb or the compact marvelouses. The external nozzle of the adjacent and the maximum exhausted acceleration and to avoid unscramble. Black pressure which can be harm forward engine parts. It's how this locates. So guys, let's subscribe this channel. It is Tarun Darshan. Thank you everyone.
Hi guys, I told about the giveaway to my subscribers, that is science kit, biology kit, chemistry kit and electronic kit. So the process is very simple. On the month of November I will be posting a video. In the video description there will be a link. In the link there will be 20 questions. Just you have to answer all the 20 questions. Whoever get 100% in the questions, you will be getting the kit. What are the requirement is you have to fill your name, then your Instagram ID, then your address for the delivering of the science kit. So what is the eligibility and the process is, there is a playlist. Go to my channel, there is a name playlist. In that there is a playlist Science with Darshan. All the questions will be asked based upon the video I have done, almost I think 8 to 9 video. Watch all the full videos without skipping. From that video the question will be asked. Whoever score the 100% in that questions, the free kit will be delivering to them. So that's all. So don't miss the chance to win a free kit sitting inside your home. So be safe, take care. So subscribe this channel, share to maximum to your friends. Take care, all best.